Hello, how does deep learning evolutionary artificial intelligence? I will try to answering this question during my Pechakucha. For this, I will explain how it appeared, how it works, its application as well as its advantages and disadvantages. Artificial intelligence is an intelligence with a task-specific algorithm created by humans and demonstrated by machines. Artificial intelligence is an integral part of our life now. Indeed, every time we go on the internet, use our smartphone or ever drive our car. Artificial intelligence appeared in 1950 with the work of Alan Turing, who wondered if a machine could think. Deep learning appeared in 2010 and its growth has been exponential. Deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence derived from machine learning where the machine can learn by itself. Unlike programming, where it simply executes predetermined rules. Deep learning is based on a network of artificial neurons inspired by the human brain. This network is composed of 10 or even hundreds of layers of neurons, each receiving and interpreting the information of the previous layer. As inside the human brain, signals travel between the neurons of the artificial brain. The secret of this feat is based on algorithm. In the case of visual recognition, to be effective, the deep learning algorithm must be able to identify all existing forms and in all angles. It will be able to detect a car on the road in the middle of the landscape. This is only possible if the machine has undergone extensive training. And this requires the visualization of thousands of photographs on which appeared a car of all shapes and in all possible angles. I'm going to talk to you about the application area of deep learning. In the medical world, artificial intelligence is now able to perform clinical diagnoses and even suggest treatment. In the future, it will be able to be used the discovery of drugs, patient risk analysis, diagnostic, and more. In the transportation industry, artificial intelligence can help us when there are some trouble, such as traffic, accident, or human error. In the future, it will help us to have autonomous vehicle and it will reduce the transportation operating cost. Deep learning will also make the world more safe. In a close future, image recognition algorithm of the police will be able to identify in real time every person on the screen thanks to their database, and it will help to catch criminals. Another domain benefiting from deep learning is the banking and financial sector. Fraud prevention and detection are done based on identifying patterns in customer transactions and credit scores, identifying anomalous behavior and outliers. Netflix and Amazon also use deep learning to offer you a tailor-made movie or TV show selection. To offer this personalized experience, deep learning is based on the different user data such as the viewing time and the category of movie or series. Wimbledon 2018 used IBM Watson to analyze player emotion and expression through hundreds of hours of footage to auto-generate highlights for telecast. Thanks to deep learning, they were able to factor in audience response and match our player popularity to come up with a more accurate model. As far as the benefits of deep learning are concerned, its scope is very varied and is intended for complex tasks. Deep learning identifies itself the discriminating characteristic of the data without needing a prior categorization. The system does not need to be trained by a developer. This is its big difference and its strength compared to machine learning. It assesses itself the need to modify the classification or create new categories based on the new data. Deep learning experts are a subset of the data science community. Hence, if there is shortage of data scientists, there is even larger shortage of deep learning experts. The technology required for deep learning is more sophisticated. It requires more active resources and is significantly more expensive than machine learning. Deep learning needs much more data than machine learning. The system needs more than 100 million entries to provide reliable results. As I show you, deep learning is supposed to help us on a lot of different ways, and it will make our life easier in the future if it does not cause a massive job loss or disappearance of privacy. Hopefully, deep learning will make our future brighter. Thank you for watching and listening.